Welcome back to my channel. I remain myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Right. Please, if you've not clicked the subscribe button, kindly click that before we start. God bless you. Let me know where you're watching from. Also, you can add the comments on the comment section. All right. So today I should actually be on the minor chord. Yeah, because today we are doing minor. We are doing minor. So I want to show you a minor chords, good chords you can add to your minor songs, songs written on minor scale. So we're going to use this song. I'm going to be in the key of C, right? So we're going to do this song. I got this song. Okay, so let me show you that. So the basic progression of the song is, so when you say a song is on minor scale, that means the song is ending and sometimes starting and most times ending on of course ending on a minor your minor chord, right? A minor chord, your 6. Yeah, so so that's the case of this song. So we can actually start the song from or we can start it on 4. Okay, so either ways, let's just start from somewhere. So let's start from 4. You can also check some of the chords I'm using because I have the major screen also. So I want to actually show you some of the basic chords. So now from 5, you need to go to 6. You need to go to 6. So I got 4. It's a horse on 1. Carry range 5. So instead of staying on 5, 6, 5, 4, on that 5 you can do so you can do 7, 3, 6 at that point. So instead of just staying on 5, so I'll show you some of these chords. So let me show you that 7, 3, 6, 4. So you can do I got 4. It's a horse on God. I is raised then 5. Yeah, so immediately you land on that 5. You got 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. So you match it. There's no time. If you wait, it will be gone. So there's no time. So I got, let me play track. It's a horse on driving rain. So 7, 3, you get. So that's it. So let me show you just 1, 7, 3, 6 chord. So look at this 7. So you can use the 7. You can transpose this to your key if you have a key that you play on. For some of us, we play on all keys. So if I learn this, I can play it on all keys. But in case you have a key, you can transpose it. 7, 3. Some people say, sir, I'm sure this is slow now. 6, right? 2, right? 5, right? 1, right? So right. Let me show you the so look at this. So slowly, so this is what I'm doing. So I'm playing right, and this. So then I'm doing so. Okay. You are seeing the what's it called? Then to 6. So 6, you can do 6, 6, 2, 5, 1. So let's do the song again. I got this song. Da 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 it sounded bad there, right? Right, I was actually thinking, so you can do this chord again. You can do this. I'll just do this one slowly. You play it. You can play it. Then, right. So now you can replay that. So let me play it fast now. So I want to show you how the application. God is awesome, God is right. Alright. Why did I use that chord? Is awesome God. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, you can do. So don't forget, these chords that I'm playing, you can actually slow the playback down to just check them if you want them. Also, you can join the channel membership for many more, and also subscribe also. So I hope you got the lesson. So 4, 1, 5. So you train a 7, 3, 6, 2. Like a long journey. 5, 1. So 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. Like I showed you. Then you find a way to 2, 5. So you can do this, or you can still do 7, 3, 6 again to end the song. Is a awesome God. Right, if you guys like this, I'll do more of minor stuff. God bless you. Bye.